things you're going to need: acetone, rag, pad, and your kit. So, a bit of acetone or a rag, really clean, repair, like so, till there's no dust left inside there. Yeah. Your acetone away. Tape.
What kind of tape is it?
Buff tape.
Buff tape?
Buff tape, of course. Any tape will do though.
Yeah, any tape will do
repair.
this job.
So,
Give it something to go up against.
give yourself an edge there, so obviously your gel doesn't fall off.
Cool.
At the bottom of the door. Got your pad, just take a bit of gel.
Doesn't take much, does it?
Nope.
If it pours, it's quite cold today. Well, that might be a problem, huh? You have to warm it up before you use it, I guess.
Ah, see, goodness.
Yeah, it'll come out. It's very thick.
It is very thick.
Cool.
Yeah, obviously, use as much as you need. You're not going to need the whole pot to repair that size.
I know.
So, once you got your gel out, a little bit of catalyst, and just.
What's the catalyst do?
It's just a hardener. Just makes it.
Makes it go off,
Makes
huh?
it go off. Yeah.
Alright,
So.
cool. Gotta have that.
You're not sitting there all day waiting for the repair to go off.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a little bit of a mix.
Mix her up.
Like so.
All pretty elementary, really. Nothing too terrible, is
No,
it?
just make sure you mix it well.
Yeah.
Otherwise your repair is not going to go off.
Okay. Yeah, the cats are kind of really important, aren't they?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You know, cats, you ain't going to have a repair to go off. So I'll just give it a good mix. And when you think you've mixed it all, just scoop it up a little bit.
Just kind of tap it in.
Tap it in. You want to make it proud, you don't want to...
Yeah, it's got to be standing up a
you
bit.
don't want it under flush, so make sure you put enough on, you can sand back.
Cool.
And,
Gotta love how easy it is to fix them, though. It beats the heck out of making up repair panels and welding them in and all that other stuff
exactly.
that we used to have to do.
It's just good value for money there.
Oh, yeah. Quite an easy thing to do.
And that is literally
Yeah,
it. You
that's
just
it.
leave it dry.
There's your repair.
And it's looking a little bit under flush,
Yeah,
so
you want to fill it up a little
I'll
bit
put a little
more.
bit more there.
Basically, let her dry off.
Depending on how much cats you have, it'll go off between 2 to 24 hours, I'd say. So
Yeah, yeah. If you undercats it, it'll take quite a while, and it could be the temperature as well outside is a big factor.
Try and do it in a warm area.
Do it in a warm place, and you'll be better off.
Just leave it dry, and you sand it to shape.
Sweet. That's our little how-to repair video. We'll come back when it's done and show you how to sand it off too. Cool.
Thanks very much.
All right, thanks guys. Nick, the Wonder Welshman.